Welcome. Today I'm walking you through the latest Facebook web update on how to snooze a page on your PC so you can temporarily tune out posts you don't want to see without unfollowing or unfriending. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. You'll land on your home feed where you can spot posts from pages you follow. The snooze feature is designed for quick temporary relief from updates you'd rather skip for a while. From the home page, look through the post and find one from the page you want to snooze. It doesn't matter what the post is about. The snooze option sits with the post controls ready to be used without changing your follow settings. Now, locate the three dots at the top right corner of the post. This icon is your gateway to additional actions for that specific update. Click it to reveal a small menu of choices related to this post. In the menu, you'll see an option that reads Snooze their name for 30 days. This is the new update that makes temporary silence easy. Click that option and the page's name will appear in the snooze confirmation, signaling you'll stop seeing posts from that page for the next 30 days. That's it. After you confirm, the posts from that page will be paused in your feed for a month. If you ever want to lift the pause sooner, come back to the page's post and select snooze again, or manage snoozes from your settings to adjust the duration or resume activities. A quick note, snoozing is per page, not per individual post. It's a gentle way to customize your feed without unfollowing, so you can re-engage with the page later when you're ready. If you're juggling multiple pages, you can repeat the steps for each one. The feature is designed to be non-intrusive, so you can tailor your Facebook experience on the web to suit your current interests and time. Thanks for watching.